So in this Let's Eat Healthy series, we've talked a lot about foods that will benefit our brain, benefit our hair, skin, nails, foods that will benefit our bones and our muscles. But what about foods that nourish our spirit and nourish our souls? And what I'm going to talk about today are actually the sweet treats. The things that you think maybe a dietitian might tell you not to eat. But I'm here to tell you to eat those things. We want to actually indulge in our favorite sweet treats with our friends and our family, because that time, that sweet time with our friends and family is just as nourishing for the body as spinach or legumes or those fatty fish or that chicken or those eggs. So I'm going to encourage you today to actually enjoy a cookie or two, or maybe have that brownie sundae with some chocolate sauce on top. Really pay attention to nourishing your soul and your spirit.